I'm back with Wednesday's homework. So Wednesday's homework is 40, 41, and 42. So I want to make sure that you're understanding what's going on. So when I look at 40, of course, the numbers always jump out first. So I got something that's 3 to 7. So 3 to 7 would be three boys, okay, to 7 girls. Okay, so I wanna make sure that there is that. So I'm doing boys to girls. I have no totals there. I have boys to girls. In the rest of the problem, it's in Miss Morales' class. They're saying that the answer is going to be 22 to 34. Okay, no class is smaller than 22, and no class is bigger than 34. So we want to find out what is a possible total number of students for Miss Morales' class. The key here is answering this question. What is the total in this? What is this total? Okay, so what is the total of boys and girls in this ratio? What is the total? Because whatever that total is, I'm going to scale that up. So I'm going to take that total and I'm multiply it by 1, or I'm going to multiply it by 2, or I'm going to multiply it by 3 or 4 or 5, whatever, and that's going to tell me how many people are in the class. So that is the hint there. You need to make sure to find out if there are 3 boys for every 7 girls, what is that total that I can then scale up to be one of those answer choices in number 40. Okay, number 41 is surface area again, and I know we keep hitting this, but I want to make sure that we have this down. So in 41, it says that there's a rectangular prism that is 18 by 6 by 3. So now I'm looking at all of this and I'm saying, so I have again a front and a back, and they're going to be the same measurement, and I'm going to have a side, and they're going to be the same measurement, and then I'm going to have a top and a bottom. Okay, so we know in a rectangle prism we have 6 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now once I get this diagram, I can tell what the measurements are. So if I look at this front, I can see that it is 18 by 3. So this is going to be 18 by 3. Okay, and this side is going to be 6 by 3. Okay, 6 by 3. And this top is going to be 18 this way, right? 18 by 6. So once I have the measurements for the front and back, right? The front, I know the back's the same. One side, I know the other side's the same. If I get the top, I know the bottom's the same. I can find out those, I can multiply them together, find out those areas, and then add all 6 up together and find out what the total area is, because I'm looking for the total surface area. Okay, and now I'm going to move to 42. It's an interesting problem, and I love that we're getting to use money. So that's a nice review. So we have who is it? Sarah. Sarah goes to the store and she has a gift card. She has a gift card and she has some money left on that. And she then adds in cash $34.17 to pay for her purchase of $49.97. Now they're going to try to help us. Our goal is to find out what the heck this gift card is. Okay, so first we're going to find out what it is in money, right? So the gift card must be, if my total purchase was $44.97, and then I paid in cash $34.17, then that gift card must have had $10.80 on it. Okay, that must be what that is. So now I know that that gift card is $10.80. Okay, now they want to know what percent of 44.97 was $10.80. So I'm thinking, okay, I can think about this in two ways. I can say, so 44.97 times some percent is going to be equal to 1080, right? So some percent of 44.97 would equal 1080. Okay, and so you know that to find the percent, or the missing multiplier, I'm going to divide. Okay, so I have to divide, and so I am dividing the answer. Divide the answer. Divide it by dividing by the multiplier, the factor. So that's how I would get that. I could also set this up as a fraction, and I could say $10.80 is what part of the total 44.97. And if your brain works like that, you would also divide and find the percent. Okay, you'll get a decimal, right? You're going to divide. You'll get a decimal, and then the decimal times 100, okay, would equal the percent. And that's all you need. Good job.